we are going to discuss the topic trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay. Now here we are having 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and their reciprocals. Okay. Now to all these trigonometric ratios, we have to discuss about the specific angles. The angles are 0 degree, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So all these are fundamental values. Okay. Now these values are derived from the properties of right angle triangle and isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. And these are very much useful in the mathematical problem solution. Okay. Now the table is the trigonometric ratio table. For the sin 0, value is 0. For sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Now here sin 90 value 1. Okay. If we observe keenly, now sin values are keep on increasing 0, 0 0.5, it is more than 0 0.5 and it is up to 1. Okay. Sin values are keep on increasing. Now coming to the cos values, here cos 0 is equal to sin 90. Okay. Reverse. We are writing the reverse pattern of sin. So cos 30, it is equal to sin 60. Now sin 45 and cos 45 both are equal and cos 60 will be 1 by 2 and cos 90 will be 0. Now here sin values are keep on increasing, like that cos values are keep on decreasing. Okay. Now tan will be we can write tan as sin by cos na, sin by cos. So here 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So tan 0 will be 0 by 1 0. Now tan 30 will be 1 by 2 whole by root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, we will get 1 by root 3. Okay. Now tan 45 1 by root 2 whole by 1 by root 2. So we will get the 1. Now coming to the tan 60. So root 3 by 2 whole by na 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. We will get root 3 by 1, that is root 3. Now tan 90 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means division with 0 is not possible. Therefore it is not defined. Now cosecant will be reciprocal of sine. So we will get reciprocals. Secant will be reciprocal of cos. Cot will be reciprocal of tan. Okay. So try to by heart only one sin values. Okay. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Here sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Similarly sin 60 is equal to cos 30. Keep in mind. And sin 45 and cos 45 both are equal. Okay. Now we are solving the problems. Okay. So what is the first problem there? Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45. Now we should have sin 45 value. What is the sin 45 degree? 1 by root 2. And similarly, it is the same value which is equal to cos 45. Okay. So for the sin 45, we have to write 1 by root 2. Similarly, for the cos 45, we have to write 1 by root 2. So root 2. So like fractions na these two. So root 2 to the power 1 plus 1. Therefore 2 by root 2. So we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. Root 2 is the answer. Okay. Now solving the next problem. So 2 into tan power 2 45 degrees plus cos square 30 and sin square 60. So I am writing once again sin 0 0, okay, sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 90 1. Now cos values na, so cos 90 will be 1 and cos 30 will be root 3 by 2 and cos 45. So both the sin 45 and cos 45 are same. Now cos 60 will be 1 by 2, cos 90 will be 0. Now here 2 into, what is the tan 45 degree there? Tan 45 means we can write sin 45 by cos 45. So therefore we are getting 1 to the whole power 2. Okay. So 2 into tan 45 value 1 to the power 2. Now what is the cos 30 there? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole power 2 minus, what is the sin 60 there? Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole power 2. Okay. So 2 into 1 power 2 means 1 plus root 3 power 2. So 3 by 2 power 2 4. Okay. Minus root 3 power 2 na, so 3 by 2 power 2 4. So positive 3 by 4, negative 3 by 4, cancel 2 1 ja, that is 2. That's it. Okay. Given problem, we are having the right angle triangle that PQR. So PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now right angle at Q and RPQ. At P we are having 60 degree. Okay. So we have to find the length QR and PR. Okay. Now here, whenever in any right angle triangle we are given one side and one angle. Okay. So here to the theta adjacent side is given. To the theta adjacent side is given. We have to find the hypotenuse with the combination of adjacent. Similarly, with the combination of adjacent, we have to find the opposite. Now here we are having sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay. These are the three basic ratios. Now what is the sin theta formula? So sin theta will be, here sin theta will be opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Now coming to the cos theta, it is the adjacent side with the combination of hypotenuse. Now coming to the tan theta, opposite side by adjacent. Okay. So in the sin theta we are having hypotenuse. In the cos theta also we are having hypotenuse. But coming to the tan theta, it doesn't have any hypotenuse. Okay. Now whenever we have to deal with the hypotenuse, then we can take either sin theta or cos theta. Okay. Na? So here in the given problem, okay, to the theta, okay, to the theta 60 degree, we have to find the opposite na. So theta ki opposite kanukovali, deni vadukuntu adjacent. So I am writing in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90, angle P is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now to the theta we have to find the opposite with the combination of adjacent. So opposite with the combination of adjacent means tan theta. So tan, what is the theta there? Tan 60 degree. Okay, is equal to opposite QR by what is the adjacent PQ. So what is the tan 60 there? Tan 60 will be root 3. So we have to by heart it. Okay. So what is the QR? We don't know QR. Okay. What is the PQ value there? 6 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, on transposing, QR will be 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. QR will be 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now similarly, so we got opposite. Now by using the adjacent, we have to find the hypotenuse. Okay. So adjacent with the combination of hypotenuse, we can take cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent PQ by hypotenuse PR. Okay. Now what is the cos 60 value there? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to PQ. What is the PQ? 6. PR. We don't know PR na hypotenuse. So on cross multiplication, PR is equal to 2 into 6, 12 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to solve the another problem in the same model. So in triangle ABC, okay, angle B is equal to 90. Okay, so at B we are having 90. What is the AB value there? AB 4 centimeter. AB value 4 centimeter. What is the angle C there? It is 30. Okay. Now we have to find BC and also AC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, okay, what is the B there? 90. And what is given there? AB value, that is 4 centimeter. And what is the angle C? 30 degree. Okay. So to the theta, opposite is given. By using the opposite, we have to find the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. It is the definition of sin theta. Okay. Definition of sin theta. So I am taking sin theta value. So what is the theta? 30 degree. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse value. So AC. Sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2, is equal to AB. AB value 4. We don't know AC. So on cross multiplication, what is the AC value there? AC is equal to 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Okay. Now similarly to the theta, by using opposite side. Okay. So we are having opposite to the theta. By using the opposite, we have to find the adjacent. అంటే thetaకి opposite వాడుకుంటూ adjacent side కనుక్కోవాలి. Okay. Therefore we have to use tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent, that is BC. Okay. So what is the tan 30 value there? 1 by root 3. So tan 30 1 by root 3 na AB value 4 by BC. So on cross multiplication, BC is equal to, so 4 into root 3 na 4 root 3 centimeter. ఓకే. సో మళ్ళీ సో టీటాకి ఆపోజిట్ ఇచ్చి హైపోటెన్యూస్ కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే సైన్ టీటా వాడాలి. సేమ్ టీటాకి ఆపోజిట్ ఇచ్చేసి అడ్జసెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే ట్యాన్ టీటా వాడాలి. ఓకేనా. సో టీటాకి ఏం ఇచ్చాడు, ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి, ఆ కాంబినేషన్ బట్టి ఎయిదర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చూస్ సైన్ టీటా ఆర్ కాస్ టీటా ఆర్ ట్యాన్ టీటా. ఓకే. సో ఇన్ ది గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లం, సో triangle ABC, so I'm drawing the triangle. In triangle ABC, ABC. Now angle B, that is 90. What is the AB value there? 7 centimeter. And what is the BC? 7 root 3 centimeter. Then find the angle at C. Okay. So angle at C. Okay. Now here simple logic here. So it is the right angle triangle na. So angle B 90. So angle B 90 కాబట్టి sum of A plus C. Okay. A plus C will be complementary. So B 90 కాబట్టి A plus C యాడ్ చేస్తే 90 రావాలి. So 90 plus 90 180. Okay. So if I take here theta, it will be 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus theta, because these two are complementary na. Okay, so it is 90 minus theta. Now what is given there in triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. Okay, AB is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 root 3. So if I take angle C is equal to theta, so we are assuming we don't know the angle C value, so we are taking it as some theta. Now to the theta it is opposite, and similarly to the theta BC will be adjacent. So theta ki opposite ఇచ్చాడు, theta ki adjacent కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. So opposite with the combination of adjacent, it is in the tan theta. So I am taking, so tan theta value is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is BC. So tan theta is equal to, what is the opposite there? 7 by 7 root 3. So can we cancel anything there? Okay, so 7 get cancelled. So tan theta is equal to, we are having 1 by root 3. But here we have to find the tan theta na. So to find the theta we should be cancelling tan. So theta కావాలంటే పక్కన ఉన్న tan క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి. సో tan క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలంటే we can write 1 by root 3 as tan 30. So it is the tan 30 degree value. Okay na? So when you write tan 30 here, tan, so we can cancel tan theta, tan. Okay, now theta will be equal to 30 degrees. Okay, ఎందుకని ఇలా రాశారంటే 1 by root 3 అనేది tan 30లోకి మారిస్తే tan క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మిగిలేది theta is equal to something. Okay, so but we know that angle A plus angle C is equal to 90. Okay, so theta is equal to, that is angle C na, angle C is equal to 30 degree, because we have taken angle C value theta. So we don't know A, therefore angle A plus, for the angle C we have to write 30. Okay, and transposing A is equal to 90 minus 30 degree. So A will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, now we are having one more problem. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, Okay, so angle at Q, that is 90. Okay, and PQ value, so I'm writing 5 centimeter, and PR, that is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find angle R. So we don't know now, so I'm taking angle R as theta. So when it is theta, it will become 90 minus theta, because angle P plus angle R will be, okay, sum of these two will be 90. Okay, now here to the theta we are having opposite. Similarly we are having hypotenuse. So sin theta formula will be opposite with the combination of hypotenuse. Okay, so theta ki opposite ఇచ్చాడు, hypotenuse కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. So I'm writing, first I am writing given in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so theta ki opposite ఇచ్చాడు అండ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఈ రెండు కాంబినేషన్లో సైన్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ సైన్ థీటా. సో సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపోజిట్ 5 by hypotenuse 10. Okay, so what is the sin theta value there? We will get 1 by 2. Okay, so here sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, but here we have to find only theta is equal to something. So to get the theta we have to cancel sin. Therefore I am writing sin theta is equal to, we have to write 1 by 2 in terms of sin. So 1 by 2 ki badaluga can we write sin 30? Okay, because sin 30 value it is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore sin cancel. Theta is equal to 30. Okay, but we have taken theta at R na, so angle R is equal to 30 degree. But angle P plus angle R is equal to 90. Okay, we don't know P, so angle P plus, what is the angle R value there? 30 is equal to 90. On transposing, angle P is equal to 90 minus 30. Therefore angle P is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so we are having one more problem. Sin A minus B is equal to something 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Where A plus B will be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90. And A will be greater than B. Okay, so I am writing sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. And we are having cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now here we should have first either A or B. అంటే అయితే ఏ కావాలి లేకపోతే బి కావాలి. సో ఏ కానీ బి కానీ కావాలంటే వీ షుడ్ బి క్యాన్సిలింగ్ సైన్ థీటా ఆర్ కాస్ థీటా. దేర్ ఫోర్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ సైన్ A minus B is equal to, for 1 by 2 I am writing sin 30. Okay, therefore we can cancel sin. What is the remaining value? A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Okay, it is the equation 1. Similarly cos A plus B is equal to, for 1 by 2 we can write cos 60 degree. Okay, therefore cos cos cancel. A plus B is equal to 60. It is the equation 2. Here, so it is a linear equation in two variable. So variable A, variable B. Variable A, variable B. So here on solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. So I am writing A minus B is equal to 30 degree and A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So on addition, these two are getting cancelled. So 1A plus 1A, 2A is equal to, on addition, we will get 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 by 2. What is the A value there? So 45 degree. So we got A value. Okay. Now we have to substitute the A value in the equation 1 or equation 2. What is the equation 1 there? So A minus B is equal to 30. Now what is the A value there? 45 degree minus B is equal to 30. Okay. So to get the B value, as it is in negative na, on transposing, okay, so B will be, so 15 degree. Now given condition is A should be greater than B. We got A value 45 degree and B value 15. So the condition is satisfied. Okay. Thank you.